Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Thursday, July 22nd, and we are going to follow Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hey, friends. All right. We already packaged one because there was a pair of shoes that I wasn't sure if it could fit in here, so we just kept it in there after we fit it. But you'll see the screenshot. It's just a pair of New Balance sneakers. I picked these up after jury duty at that downtown thrift store where all the shoes were $4, so that's what I have into them. Sold them for $36.35 free shipping. They are going global shipping actually, so I am just responsible to get them to Kentucky and they'll ship them off from there, but the shipping cost me $7.76 since it fit in the padded flat rate.
And that little trip to after jury duty was really paid off.
Really, yeah, I've sold a lot of that and for good amounts.
Pretty much every day nowadays.
Yeah. IBK. Glad these finally sold. They took quite a while. We bought these on Labor Day, so almost a year last Labor Day. They're just some Allegria, the Track, Mary Jane sneakers. I did pay $19 for them because it was a retail store, basically a retail arbitrage. But I finally sold them for $45 plus shipping, so about a $20 profit, which is totally really good for retail arbitrage, even though it took a long time. And then this was an awesome sale. I was out thrifting last night. I had some returns, but returns always turn into me thrifting for hours. And as I was thrifting, I made a 3-item bundle sale on eBay, which bundles on eBay are very few and far between. So.
For us, yeah.
Yeah, they didn't leave a message, but I feel like anyone that buys multiple items is usually a viewer. So if you are a viewer, Cassandra, thank you. Otherwise, thank you anyways. The first item this person bought was these Lazy One cat PJ pants, new at tag. And then box Q.
Over here.
Okay, and some UGG flats. And then DD. The other pair of UGG flats.
Oh.
So the two UGG flats were from the estate sale after jury duty, and then the cat pants were from Goodwill. So the total I have into these 3 items is $20.63. This buyer paid $122.70 free shipping. Wow. But they just live in Arizona, so even though this was a 3-pound box that it's going to go in, it's going to be only $8.46 to ship to them. So
okay,
it was like a $77 profit, so really good on that.
And Cassandra, if you are a viewer, we do appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for all the support.
And then AI. All right, Posher VA sale. This is just a Matilda Jane button-down shirt. This was my son's shirt. He actually wore this for kindergarten picture day, I think, and he looked so cute. I'm gonna try to find a picture to put in this video. But anyways, I believe I bought it for $17 off Kitizen like a few years ago, and then I finally sold it on Posh for $16 with discount shipping. So I'm making back about $11 and change there. Alright, and then this guy sold this cute little bear with this Slytherin outfit on. Yeah. So these, I remember when I did the haul on this, I said comps looked really good, but I didn't get why, just because I mean, usually the bear animals don't do that well, but I think it's more of the outfit that people were after. So right. Anyways, yeah, comps were like 40 to 50. I priced him differently on each platform, but on Facebook I did 32 plus shipping. I just wanted to make about a $20 profit. Mm-hmm. And someone messaged me today asking if I would do just 30, so only $2 off. I normally ignore Facebook messages because they're like, hi, will you take half off usually? Right. Those ones I don't even respond, but $2, yeah, I'll definitely take $2 off. So I paid $7.99 for him, and yeah, $30 plus shipping is what I got. So it was like $19 and change profit there. So really good. Yeah, so not all Build-A-Bears are going to sell for that much, but anything Harry Potter is worth looking up, not just Build-A-Bear, but really just anything.
Look out for any of the licensed things like Pokemon and anything that's not just Build-A-Bear. Harry Potter obviously has a huge following, so.
Oh, and I did want to mention, so that person on Facebook, because they asked me, so this is something I just noticed today, but then I did a poll on Instagram, and a lot of people said they already knew about it, so I'm probably late, but that's probably because I ignore all the messages I get over there, because they're usually low offers. But yeah, when she messaged me, there was something in the message where it said I could change the price from there. Normally I'd have to go all the way back into my normal Facebook, open up my listings, change the price. Most of the time they don't even buy it, so this was like almost like eBay offer where you're sending an offer to Liker. So I changed the price to, well, I didn't change the price. I sent her an offer of 30. So she could just buy it. The price stayed at 32. She
for
gets
everybody
the offer,
else.
Yeah, so she gets the offer for 24 hours. If she doesn't accept, it expires, but the price hadn't changed. So
That's
that way,
nice.
if she doesn't buy, the price is still 32.
Right.
So
We don't have to go back and increase the price and stuff like that.
So that was a nice little change I saw on Facebook today. So if you didn't notice that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and then these guys sold on Mercari this morning, full price. They're just some Salomon sneakers. These took a while to sell. I think I've had them since January. Normally this brand sells really fast for me, but I think I priced these a little high because I paid a little up for them. I paid $12.99. They sold for $40 plus shipping, so about a $20 profit again. So I'm happy with that still. All right, my box CI.
What do you think about that, Reese? He's been hanging out in this corner a lot more now that we have the Ben moved right here.
So this is the last pair of those cloth and stone wide leg linen pants. So this pair sold for $26 plus shipping on Mercari. I have $7 into it. Really glad those all sold before the summer was up.
Yeah.
CW. What do you think when we keep walking back and forth, Reese? All right, so this is that Columbia Windbreaker new tag that we got at our new thrift store a couple months ago when they opened. I had paid $5.50 for it. It sold for $23 plus shipping on Mercari. All right, then, oh, these last two are actually viewer sales. So first up, going to Kendra, who I wanted to mention first. So she's bought from us several times, and this time, so she bought a bundle, which we'll go through, but she said, did we ever get what she sent us? Which, I didn't, because she sent it to our P.O. Box, which is the address that we give out on all of our videos, but we never check it, so that's my bad. I don't even know when the last time I checked it is, maybe May. So yeah, I did not get it, but I'm gonna go get it today. So yeah, if I just wanted to note that in case, I don't know if anybody else has ever sent us something.
Right.
So we got the P.O. Box just over a year ago, mostly just so that we can have our return address as not our home address. But I never really thought about people sending us stuff so much, so we just don't really check it, the couple times we have checked it, it's just been like junk mail, so.
Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to add that into my weekly routine. It's just like our post office, because we live in like a weird part of town where I think you can only get our P.O. Box in our zip code, which is a post office about 10 miles from our house, because we kind of live, I don't want to say in a country area because this is a regular old neighborhood, but a country-ish type area. So the post office is like way out there, and yeah, it's just not by any stores or anywhere we ever go. So we almost never go there, but
it's way in a direction we never go. Yeah.
Right. So I do need to start going, and I'm going to try to make that like maybe on Mondays we'll take our weekend packages or something and drop them off and check it. So
at least the real post office, right? Like we have a post office. Well, it's a bank that has a post office in it. That's the one that's just a mile away from us. We drop all of our packages off there, but they don't do P.O. boxes there because it's a bank. So
yeah. So if you've sent us anything, thank you. I'm going to check it today. But Kendra, thank you for letting me know, because she's probably thinking, oh, wow, she never even noticed or something. So
right.
Yeah. Anyway, so what Kendra grabbed from us was this KitchenAid mixer, which she was, or not mixer, the attachment, for the mixer. She was waiting patiently for it and finally asked about it a couple of days ago. Yeah, so
it's a spiralizer and stuff.
Picked this up at a garage sale a month or so ago.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just been sitting on our kitchen counter waiting to get photographed. But I don't know why hard goods are just hard for me to photograph. Like it was, once I did it, I was like, why did I take so long to do this? But That's a story for another day. But anyways, so she grabbed that, and then a couple kid clothing items for her son. So AC. This is a Peak Kid shirt. It just has a Bruce Lee quote on it about courage. This was actually one of my favorites for our little guy. And then Fox Q. These are some Baby Bowden shorts. They got like stars on them. And then AV, I assume, is some shoes for herself. Some Crocs. So... the total that she actually sent me an offer. So she asked me about the KitchenAid a few days ago, but I was like, I'll get it listed this week. But here we are, what is it, Thursday? I hadn't listed it. I saw she sent me an offer. I was like, oh my gosh, let me go get that listed real fast before I accept, so she doesn't have to pay shipping 2 times. So yeah. Anyway, so for the whole bundle, so she had offered me $65 for the 3 items. Here, which I would have honestly accepted a little less than that. So I was gonna try to get between $30 to $35 for the KitchenAid thing plus shipping. So I figured since she offered me such a good offer on there, I would throw in the extra thing for $20. So we did $85 total for the bundle.
Okay.
So, Kendra, thank you so much.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you so much for the support. Yeah, I'm excited to see what we got.
All right. And
thank you for the support, Kendra. We appreciate it.
Last sale is another viewer sale going out to Ellen. So D. She said she was watching our videos last night while shopping. So she grabbed these Tiva, like Mary Jane flats. These sold to her for $18 plus shipping on Mercari. I like the window open. He loves it closed.
Got some kind of jet flying over our head.
Noise going on out there, yeah. So yeah, she paid $18 plus shipping for these Tavas, however you say it. And we got these at that new thrift store the day that they opened, so a couple months ago for $5.97. So, Ellen, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much for all the support, Ellen. We appreciate it. And we're going to get this stuff all packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, got everything all packed up, ready to go. We did not have any other sales.
No
Kathy
more
just
sales.
Reactivated our Posher VA, though, so
I did, and I listed so far all these shoes today. Hold on, I gotta sort by just in. I haven't cross-posted yet. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 3 pairs of shoes, and then I'm gonna take these to the post office, check the P.O. box, and be back to cross-post. And tomorrow I'm meeting up with Monarch Alley Chelsea in Denver. So she is on vacation here in Colorado, so she doesn't have a ton of time, so I'll be probably with her for an hour or so, and then I'm gonna spend most of my day up there anyways and thrift myself. So I like any excuse to get up to Denver. I don't feel like I get to get up there often enough, and when we do go, it's usually a trip or something where I don't get to actually thrift. But when I get to thrift up there, I find great stuff, so I'm excited.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I will not be able to go up to Denver to meet with Monarch Alley Chelsea, but I'm sure Kathy and her will have a great time thrifting together. If you have not checked out Chelsea's YouTube channel, go head over to Monarch Alley. And yeah, check her channel out. And I think that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Like Kathy said, she's going to get this stuff off to the post office, go check our P.O. box and all that fun stuff. But that is going to do it for today. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.